right, you guys, we are going to sing a little song today, but look what I found. I found Chicky Licky, but look, if you just wrote chick, look at what's at the end, CK. If you listen to my language arts, we're working on that k sound at the end, which is written with a C and a K, so we have chick, and look at this one, lick. It's Chicky Licky, but if I take away the Y, it's lick. Look at CK. Anyways, Chicky Licky and her fine feathered friends. Okay? A long time ago, there was a chicken you see, a fine feathered friend called Chicky Licky. One day she was sleeping peacefully when a great big nut fell out of the tree. Oh, the sky is falling down, she started to shout it. I'd better run and tell everyone about it. So she ran and she ran until she met a hen. Her name was Henny Penny, and she shouted again. The sky is falling down. Haven't you heard? What should we do to spread the word? Henny Penny clucked, we must tell the king. So they both waddled off, flapping their wings. Lucky met along the way. The sky is falling down. Heard them say, we must tell the king. Ducky Lucky said. The three waddled off, Chicky Licky led. Off they went like birds on a mission. See Lucy, who was going fishing. They told him the news about the sky. We'd better tell the king, he began to cry. Started down the road, Licky was there. We have some beautiful news to share. Down, 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 the sky is falling. Come with us, he heard them calling. Uh-oh, look at there. Chicky Licky, Henny Penny, Goosey Lucy, Turkey Lurkey. Who am I missing? I'm missing somebody. Uh-oh, is it a fox? You know what foxes like to eat? Oh boy. Here we go. So Turkey Lurkey, the band of birds, off to tell the king these dreadful words. Foxy Loxy was hiding out. He'll try to fool them, there is no doubt. Foxy Loxy was a tricky guy. He heard the flock talking about the sky. If the sky is falling down, the king should know it. I know a shortcut, I'll be glad to show it to the king. He led them to his foxy den. Stick close to me, the king's in here. Big dark hole, birds did peer. You think they should go in? Said, wait a minute. This is your house. We're not going in it. Now birds have feathers and birds have wings, and foxes think we're silly things. They all joined us and walked away. As they left, heard them say, there are plenty of things to worry about, but if we stick together, it'll all work out. Oh, they locked away. Smart little birds, huh? Oh. Phew, I was scared there for a minute. I thought they were going to go in his den. And you guys know what foxies like to eat for dinner. Ooh. Maybe a little Chicky Licky or Turkey Lurky, Goosey Loosey, Ducky Lucky. Yikes. Good thing they held hands and walked away, stuck together. Huh. All right, you guys ready for some counting? Let's count by tens today first. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. How about fives? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, how about by ones? Let's start with, how about 8? 5, let's count on 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. What comes once one more than 8? 9. So we go 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Excellent. Perfect. All right, let's go through our numbers quickly. Here we go. 30, 18, 1, 28, 16, 2, 27, 11, 9, 24, 12, or you can say 2-teen, 3, 29, 14, 8, 23, 19, 4, 25, 17, 7, 26, 3-teen, or you say 13, 5, 22, 20, 10, 21, 5-teen, and 9. Perfect. All right, let's go through our shapes really quickly here. We got a square, rectangle, circle, heart, diamond, oval, star, pentagon, hexagon, and an upside down triangle. All right, there is a little bit of review on your math today, and it's talking about the vertices. You guys remember what vertices are? If you've been following along, you know a vertice is a, some of you said it, corner. You're right. So if we look at the square, how many vertices are in a square? You count the corners, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 vertices and 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Okay, let's try another one. How about a star? I picked a hard one. How many vertices? Now remember, vertices when 2 sides meet, those corners. So you actually have a lot in the star. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, right? Did I count that one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sides and 10 vertices or corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we started right there. That's what I forgot in the first one. Okay, good. So you're talking about vertices, or just doing it. I think there's one question about vertices. How about the triangle? How many vertices here? Yep, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. Great. That's it. Perfect. All right, today we're going to be talking a little bit about, we were talking Friday about things that were taller or shorter versus things that are longer or shorter. Okay, so we can measure things this way when it makes sense. Sometimes we measure things this way. Okay, it wouldn't make sense to take your dad and tell him to lay down and measure how long he is. So we say, how tall is your dad, right? Or if you're going to measure your baby sister, okay, that's walking. You would measure how tall is she, right? Okay, so I have some items here today. Let me grab them. Okay, the first thing I got, just 2 cups. I think in your homework it says to grab some things at school. Obviously, we're not at school, so we can't do that. So just go grab some things from your house, okay? Somewhere, but make sure it's okay with Mom, okay? Just don't go take stuff. Okay, so I had a glass, for some ice water, and then of course it's Seahawks, right? Go Hawks. And then I had a little bunny cup. Isn't that cute, little bunny? Okay, So when I measure, the very important thing for measuring is to make sure that they have the same starting point. So let me grab Kevin's picture here. Okay, and if I set these both on this, okay, now they're both have the same starting point. I can't start measuring if one is up and kind of one is down. So it's hard to show you on my hand. So here you go. Okay, I'm starting them out, they're both sitting there. So we look at these and we say, which one is taller? Right, the Seahawk cup is taller, the glass. And then we say that this one with the bunny on it is what? We say that it is shorter, okay? So that's how we measure these. We wouldn't measure the glass like from here to here, okay? And say, oh, it's longer than this other cup. That would make sense. So when we measure something like this, when it goes up, 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 like to the sky, we measure how tall it is or how short it is. Okay, so this one's taller, and this one we say is shorter. Okay, and again, they have to start at that same starting point. Just like when we measured my spoons and we're measuring things that are longer, or the ribbons that we measured. Okay, these are some things I got from my refrigerator. Again, just around the house. I wouldn't have this at school. So take a look. I've got some whipping cream and some lemon juice. Okay, now again, it wouldn't make sense to measure these by the length, how long they are. That wouldn't work. So these we have to measure how tall they are or how short. So if we compare these to each other, which one's taller? Right, the blue one, right? The whipped cream. Which one's shorter? Right, the lemon. You could see it only kind of goes up to here. The lemon juice is shorter, the bottle of lemon juice. Okay? So when you're practicing measuring, they have to start at the same spot, which I have them both sitting on this frame here of Kevin. And you have to see where it goes up here, how tall, how short they are, okay? So you could just grab some things around your house. Usually we just compare two things, okay? So just grab 1, 2, and then take a look. Which one's taller, which one's shorter, okay? Remember when we measure things the other way, that's called the length. So we would say longer. Like let's say we're measuring a snake. A snake would be long, right? And then maybe a mouse would be short, right? Short little mouse, and then a long snake. Okay, we would measure it that way. We wouldn't measure a snake going up to the sky like this, like that. Okay, and that's all you've got for math today. All right, and let's see. Office hours today, I'm going to keep them the same, 12 to 1. If you want to come see me and do any homework, meet me then, anytime between 12 and 1. And 1 o'clock, we'll keep that for our class time if we want to get together and say hello to your classmates. Okay, all right, great job today, and have a happy Monday. And if we don't see you this afternoon, we'll see you tomorrow. Okay? All right. Take care. Bye.